Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking here at Cochran Elementary, home of the Cats, here in Louisville, Kentucky, pretty close to the University of Louisville too, which I always love coming to visit when I have time. But I got to speak over 2 days to the K through 5th graders here, so it was a true honor, true blessing. Beautiful students, especially after the 3rd, 4th, and 5th assembly. A lot of students that were just in pain from a recent loss or being bullied in the past or whatever was going on in their hearts. They were able to reach out to me and share their heart with me. So that was an honor just to get to talk to all of them and work through some of the hurt that they were going through and kind of be able to release that through some tears as well and try to bring that healing and then hope. As I always talk about how healed people heal people, we have that choice to do that. The focus, though, for both presentations was on bullying, looking at someone's heart first, seeing them as human beings before anything else, like my shirt says, the one race, human, that we're able to always see people as human beings before any other thing, and that we also see people as true miracles. The M on all of our palms, a lot of them took that to heart. We're wearing them today when I came back for the second day on their hands to remember their worth. That we not only have to do that, but then once we love ourselves and see how great all of us are, how wonderfully created we are, then we go out and we help other people that can't see that. We be the light to their hearts by showing them kindness, showing them love, knowing that we can always choose that no matter what. The couple students that came up to me, they talked about how true friendship is true kindness to them, and there's no truer words than that. That you treat everyone like you treat your best friend, see them for what's on the inside. That's what really matters, but that we also value the outside too. Whatever our background is, no matter how we're born, where we're from, that we still choose peace and we still choose compassion. So thanks again for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Until then, much love.